Hello everybody and welcome on BiBi TV. Today we have... what kind of car is this? Bugatti. Bugatti is the fastest car in the world. Okay, let's start to open the surprise eggs. First we open the green one. What do we have here inside? Papa Smurf. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, goodbye, Papa Smurf. Okay, let's take a look what is inside the red one. Oh, Paw Patrol. And we have here Chase and Rubble. Rubble and Chase. The next one is purple. Oh, Princess Peppa Pig. Princess Peppa Pig. Okay, the pink one. Oh, Masha and a minion. Masha and a minion. Masha and a minion. And the last surprise egg is the yellow one. Zack. Okay. Oh, PJ Mask. This is Ninjalino. Oh, watch out. And this is Oilette. She can fly. Oilette. Goodbye. See you next time on BiBi TV.